So today we've got a beautiful orange coloured modified Casioak watch which we're going to be showing you in this video, and this one in particular is going out to one of our clients in Dubai. And before it does, we thought we'd show you this because we haven't shown it on the channel before, and we do get a lot of requests for this on our website and on our WhatsApp line as well. So let's go ahead and open this box, show you what you get inside. And this is going to Dubai, so we have packed it with a load of snoofies and bubble wrapping, just so that it's not thrown about in the shipping. So we'll start off with the the tin. Inside the tin you're going to get all the original parts of the watch. So we've got some tools there, so that you can make some adjustments yourself. We've got the original parts in there. We've got the chapter ring, as you can see in there. If I can show you that, there we go. We've got some screws and stuff. So this is all the original things, basically the original watch which we've basically modded. That's all in here, and you can swap and change these things out if you feel comfortable to do so. But if not, you can always get in touch with us as well and we can sort that out for you. I'll just move that to the side. So inside the box you're then obviously going to be presented with the G-Shock itself. So let's go and open that up. And as you can see, here is the G-Shock. Inside you're going to find the warranty card. You're also going to find the instruction manual as well. All our G-Shocks are 100% authentic. And here we go with the watch. So I'm just going to move this out the way. Guys, this watch is actually very, very nice. It's a lot of people love to buy this watch. They like the color scheme on this, and I think the reason why it's so nice is because it's bright and it stands out. So here we go then. This is the orange Casio G-Shock modified watch. Take a look. I'm going to just turn down the... There we go. Guys, this is absolutely beautiful, and like I said, the reason I think why people like this watch, I mean, I personally like some other watches. They'll probably come on the list a lot higher than this one in terms of aesthetics, but a lot of people tend to like this watch because, and I think it's because the color is bright, it's orange, and when you have it on the wrist it actually does look very, very, very nice. But we all have our own preferences. Obviously, I like a lot of things which a lot of other people don't like. But yeah, this is looking at it now, it's actually really, really beautiful. So let's just show you around this watch. So we've got an orange strap on this watch, we've got the silver buckle on this, silver bezel, stainless steel, and then we've done a full chapter ring conversion to orange on this, so everything is nice and aligned to that orange color. And if we go ahead and put this on the wrist, we can show you how it looks. So I just want to put it on my gloves because this is going out to a customer, so I don't want to get it on my skin, just to preserve its sort of... There we go. So there we have it, guys. Looks very, very nice. And like I said, it stands out quite a lot. So if you're one of those people who really like a watch that, gets a conversation started, stands out, this is the sort of watch you're going to be, sort of eyeing up. So at the moment, we don't have this in stock on our website, but you can place a custom order, which means that you can pay up front for it. We get the parts in for you, and then within 3 or 4 weeks, we have all the parts in, we make it for you, and we send it out to you. But yeah, we do have a listing of this on the website as well, just in case we ever do have it in stock. You can click on that link as well. But if you do want to, if it's out of stock and you want to put in a custom request, please go ahead and do so on the WhatsApp line. Both are linked in the description below. But yeah, this one's going straight out to Dubai, and I am sure he is going to be very, very happy with his purchase. So remember, we offer free shipping all over the UK. We do offer shipping all over the world as well, but there's just a small fee which you do have to pay for that. But we do ship in all countries except for just a few, but you can let us know. Get in touch with us on the WhatsApp line and we'll let you know what those countries are. Thank you so much for watching.